Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. A couple of weeks ago, I don't remember the exact dates, but Amazon had their Prime Days, which they do that. You know, they used to just do it like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but they've been doing it, I want to say this has already been the second time this year. Maybe they're doing it each quarter. I'm not real sure. But I'm excited when they do it because I go looking for things. You know, you can keep things in a wish list, which I have. You can keep things in just outside of your cart if they're things you need and wait for a better price. When they have their Prime Days, not everything goes on sale, but some things go on sale. So I looked and looked and I found some wonderful sheet masks, eye masks and sheet masks. So these are $19.99 and there are 12 of them. And it was on sale for $15.99. These don't go on sale very often, but they also have a 6-pack, which is one of each of them, and that's almost the same price as the sale price was, so I got it. So there are 2 zebra masks, 2 pink sharks. These are the Appeal brand, I should have said that. There are 2 Dalmatians. There are 2 blue narwhals. There are 2 cat masks. I've done this one before. And there are 2 mermaid scales, it says. And I think I've done this one before also. I haven't had this set before. I've never bought it. But some of my fellow creators and also subscribers may have sent me some in previous friend mail. So that I thought was a fun deal. So, and then I got, I love eye masks. I do eye masks pretty much every day. I don't do a sheet mask every day, but I do them often. But the eye masks, you know, this was a great deal. I haven't tried this brand before. This is XHOON. Not sure how to say it, but you know, that's a good Chinese name or Korean name. Let me see if it says where it was made. You know, and it is 24 karat gold pure anti-aging collagen hyaluronic acid, it says. You know, so it's for reducing puffiness and dark circles. And there's 20 pair in here. Let's see what they look like. A lot of these are very similar no matter what the price is, y'all. So you know, so this doesn't look like, looks like a lot we've seen, you know. So how that is this, it's not two-toned. The paper is gold here, and then it's clear here. So these are very nice, and I will enjoy them. Golden caviar eye masks. So I don't think I told you, these were $4.79, and they were regular $5.99. And let me tell you, $5.99 is a good deal for 20. So that's a good deal even without the sale. And then I have 2 other, look at these cute packages I have. So let's just look at this one first and see. It says, "Dear Your Skin," and it's like a postage or like a letter, a love letter to yourself. Super cute packaging. It is, I think these are all, I can't remember what I got, y'all. I think these are all eye masks. No, maybe not. Maybe these are sheet masks. Okay, when you open it, how cute is this? Great presentation. And these are sheet masks. Okay, so there are quite a few in here. Does it tell me how many on the package? I may have to just count them to see. There is, it says, "From present skin to dear your skin, elasticity," what it's supposed to offer you. So this one is for wrinkle improvement. There are 3 of these. What is that, a bird? I'm not sure what that is, but there's 3 of these. So there's 12 in this package. There's 3 of the yellow ones, which has a cute tiger picture on it. No animals tested, no harmful ingredients, revitalizing effect, sheet mask, facial pack. This one is revitalizing and soothing. This one is aloe, moisturizing. There's 3 of these. And then, pardon me, and then brightening. And there's 3 of these. How cute is this, y'all? Cute, 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 cute. I'm excited. And you know, a lot of these end up in friend mail or giveaways. And then last but not least, we have this Vogue Now Eye Glow. Look at this beautiful package. What a nice presentation this makes. Did I even tell you the price of these? Sorry. These are $14.97 regularly. For 12 masks, that's not bad. But they were on sale for $10.90. So that's less than $1 a mask. I do like that. This is a $12 package, and these were on sale for $8.40. These are under eye masks. Hydrating, it says 4 flavors for the ultimate under eye care. Reduce puffiness, wrinkles, dark circles. There's 40 pair. When you open it, I'm thinking these probably got moved around a little bit. Yeah, when you open it, there's 4 different flavors, as they say. I am here, I am here for your tired eyes. Time to relax, honey. So okay, this did say it came with, this is actually it, there's 4, and it came with some additional bonus lip masks. So there are 4 lip masks in here. So those are fun. Cherry Pout. And then we have the yellow is, I can't read it because it's yellow on yellow. Why settle your silver linings when you can have a taste of gold? So these are golds. This one is cherry on top for your tired eyes, pink. The green says, sail away from dark circles with our seaweed secret. And then the blue says, I need a drink. Hydration station to the rescue. So that's what we have. Isn't that fun, y'all? Okay, there's a card inside that says, we love you. We love you. I hope you read this with a smile on your face. Speaking of smiles, we just had to do something to make yours even more beautiful. We have a surprise for you. This is our way of saying that we care, is that they sent these lip masks. So that was a lot of fun. Now, I don't have my total of what I spent, but 26, 36, well, no, I don't know, 20, I don't remember what I bought a lot. But I like having the sheet masks. I like having these for giveaways. I like having these for friend mail. So let's do a giveaway. Say lip, L-I-P, and I'll get you a lip mask in there, and I'll give you an assortment of what will fit nicely in an envelope. So, we'll get you a sheet mask or 2. There's 2 different kinds of sheet masks. I mean, there's different, colors and stuff. But I'll get you one of the, I think in this set, they're all printed. They all have a picture like of a Dalmatian. So I'll get you like one of those and one of these sheet masks and some eye masks. How does that sound? Okay. So if you like that idea and you want to do that, then say that word and put it in a sentence. If you just say that word, I will delete your comment. So be nice to me, please. I'm trying to be nice to you. So thank you for being here. Most of you all, 99.9% of you are fantastic, and I love you. I even love the ones that aren't nice, because that's what I do. I'm a Christian. So y'all, there's no reason to be ugly to me. None whatsoever. I'm kind to everybody. If you have a problem with me, tell me about it. We'll talk about it. Y'all, take care. Count your blessings. And here comes Camille with her nice little butthole in the way. So sorry. Oh my goodness, she's just nuts. We know she's nuts. What can we do? She's still a kitten. Y'all, thank you for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Are you filming yourself? Camille, are you filming yourself? Filming your pretty self? All right, love.